Trigify reviews, features, pricing and alternative, AnyBiz. Welcome to our review of Trigify, where we evaluate its features, pricing, and alternatives to help you make an informed decision. We'll also compare it with a notable alternative, AnyBiz. Trigify leverages AI and data-driven sales triggers to enhance B2B sales operations, providing quick insights for optimal prospect interactions. Specializing in automated solutions, Trigify caters to sectors like technology, financial services, and healthcare that benefit from real-time data and predictive analytics. Trigify revolutionizes B2B sales with real-time data-driven lead identification, AI-powered buying behavior predictions, seamless CRM integration for automated outreach, and customizable alert systems for timely opportunities. They offer scalable pricing plans tailored to business needs, featuring essential to enterprise-level options with flexible credit allocations and comprehensive features. Trigify empowers B2B sales teams with robust features like sales triggers and AI enrichment. However, its pricing may pose challenges for smaller businesses, and the lack of user reviews limits insight into its real-world performance. AnyBiz.AO offers a cutting-edge solution for identifying and engaging potential business clients through advanced AI capabilities. Unlike Trigify, AnyBiz utilizes AI to automate tailored messaging, meeting scheduling, and email warming, ensuring efficient lead engagement without manual effort. This makes AnyBiz.AO a compelling alternative, particularly for businesses seeking enhanced automation and AI-driven efficiency in lead generation and customer engagement. In conclusion, AnyBiz stands out in the crowded field of outbound lead generation and marketing agencies, with its AI-driven approach and deep B2B expertise, promising transformative growth for businesses. If you found value in this, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Your support keeps us going strong.